What's up? Twice I tried to film this, but it wasn't filming.
Hey everybody, it's Ballard Chicks. I can't see. Okay.
Ballard Chicks here.
She's still recording. Yeah, she wasn't filming at all. You were just
Cool.
filming while I'm filming you.
No, I'm not filming you because I'm looking at my phone. Now you are. Cheyenne, say something to our viewers.
Hey everybody, we're here at Car Show. I love it.
I love that color. Ew, no, police car.
Ooh, it's a Bel Air.
Oh my god. Oh my glob. Look at them wheels.
Yeah, that truck makes you think
No! Dude, you just said that over YouTube.
I don't care. I had to say that.
Well, it's not. What's up?
Hey.
Anyways,
You're probably the worst
So,
site for
yeah. We'll be back later. Probably with a part 2. Or I'll just pause it. Never mind. Anyways, we'll be back later. Yeah. With our first vlog.